What's good, ladies and gentlemen? My bad, I had to hold the mic just to get situated, but today's a very special day. Well, every day is a special day because if you woke up, that's a dub, right? God bless, man. If you're alive, that's a blessing. But today in particular is a very special day for me because I'm about to go pick up my RM, my Richard Mille. $256,000 watch, and to me that's like a little checkpoint, a little milestone in my life. Okay, like it's like cool. Like I always say this: material things don't mean nothing, but you're allowed to reward yourself if you work hard for your money. Okay, and I know a lot of y'all are probably thinking like, why are you spending $256K on a watch? Like you could go invest that in some properties. I have properties. Okay, I just don't talk about it. You could go invest that in some other investments. I have investments. I invested in other things. I invested my money on other things already, other projects. Even some other people out there will be like, man, go take care of your family. My parents are retired, okay? They don't gotta worry about any bills. My family is good. So I show up every day. I'm consistent. Businesses are thriving. I made, $350K on sports betting a couple weeks ago. So I'm like, let me treat myself. Let me reward myself. And if you work hard for your money, you should be able to splurge on yourself. And I'm not making this video to be cocky or flaunt on you guys. I'm just doing it for inspirational purposes only. I like to share my wins. And I want to encourage y'all like, yo, if you show up every day, if you're consistent, because like 10 years ago, I didn't know I was going to get an STO. You know, I didn't know I was going to get a Lambo or my whips or my jewelry or whatever, or be able to retire my parents and take care of my people. I didn't know any of that. But the thing that I did know, if I tell you one thing, is that I showed up every day. I was consistent every day, and that translates to opportunity, to another opportunity, to another opportunity. So let's go pick up this RM, man. This is gonna be special. This ain't no entry-level RM too. This is a one of a kind. Okay, so let's get it. Here we go, my man.
What's up, brother?
Good to see you, brother.
Good to see you,
I hope you don't mind being on camera.
No, we don't at all.
Yeah, and Mo couldn't be here today.
Yeah,
you know, Pops had a little health issue, so prayers to Pops. Man, today's a big day.
Today's a huge
yeah,
day
you got the watches out here, huh?
Yeah.
But this is new right here.
Yeah,
oh
this
shit.
is new. This is new. We got in
Damn.
what was it, like Tuesday?
Okay.
It's a big purchase.
Let's
right
do
here.
it. Damn. Oh, here we go. Get closer, man. We don't want to miss this. Ooh. The red straps. Damn. Look at that.
To match STO.
Exactly, bro. Look at this. That is beautiful.
Yeah, man. This is huge. It's a nice piece.
Damn. So light. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro. Thank you to Mo. Thank you to Watch Plug.
Of course, man.
Thank you to the Watch Plug team. Damn.
Yeah.
Look at that. That is crazy.
Yeah, you got your box, and these are your papers. Its own.
Okay. Okay. So it's official. Got the
Yeah.
paper.
Mo told me you were coming through. We're gonna
Yeah.
give you some extra straps.
Ah,
you can
that's
always
love.
switch out
Okay.
in and out. These here are pretty dope. They're Velcro.
Okay.
So they fit good with this watch. Looks really dope. I personally like the Velcro. Some people don't.
Yeah, I do like the Velcro. I do love this red, bro.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. But like,
That's a McLaren strap.
yeah. Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay. But this is gonna match with the STO, man.
Yeah.
Like, I like how it's very sporty.
Is this your first one?
First RM. First
First
RM. Yeah.
So actually on this side, you
Yeah, I don't
have
want-
to
I don't-
unbuckle it. You just
Oh, there you go. Okay, let's try that.
so then yeah, bring that over.
Interesting. Okay, and then does it?
Yeah, it goes
clip?
as it brings over.
Okay.
You also bring it in here. So as you clasp it,
Damn.
that literally goes perfect with that.
This is
STO,
bro. This isn't even. It doesn't even feel real right now.
That shit's.
That
Dude,
is.
congrats, man.
Thank you,
It's
bro.
huge.
No, thank you. I appreciate that. That is. Wow.
It's dope, man.
That is crazy. And then,
Insane. You can stare at that thing all day. Man.
hell yeah. And then the time, like, it's like pretty, like, straightforward. Like, I'm assuming, like, just any other watch, like, just to change.
We'll be able to adjust the time.
Well.
So the cool thing about pieces like this is like, your car only makes it to valet.
Yeah.
So when you walk in, you got your Lambo on the wrist as you continue to walk in the building.
Yeah.
So like people recognize this type of stuff.
That's true. I got the Lambo and the Lambo on the wrist. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
so-
damn, bro. It's hot as shit out here in the streets of Orange County. Anyway, hey, big shout out to Mo. Big shout out to the Watch Plug team. First RM. Look at that shit, bro. That shit is wild. 250K on the wrist, bro. The reason why this is like very, very special for me, guys, is because 3 years ago, or 3.5 years ago, when I first heard about the Richard Mille, how can somebody afford that, and why would somebody want to buy it? But when you get to a certain level in your life, in terms of like, you know, your finances and whatnot, where money isn't really an issue, it's just crazy what you can do with the amounts of money that you have. Take care of your people, invest in things, invest in projects, and also buy things that you want. And I feel like you're not really living the life that you want to live if you're not able to do that in a way where you're free. Does that make sense? Like, do whatever you want in this life, not be limited. It's just crazy. Like that. This is what this watch represents. No limitations, showing up for myself. I literally manifested it, right? Bro got a Lambo and a Lambo on the wrist. Like that, like to me, that's like, I don't know what you call that. Does that mean I made it? I don't know. But it's just a reminder that even though you don't know where you're at in your life, you don't know how you're gonna get to this point, you don't know how you're gonna become a millionaire, multi-millionaire, just keep showing up, trying things out, staying consistent, not giving up, the cliche shit. But like, if you actually stay on course, it only takes one time to get it right. Something's gonna present itself. And once that opportunity presents itself, you're good. You're set for life.
So just in case you guys didn't get a close enough look at this new RM I picked up, man, let me just, hopefully this video can do a little more justice, because the clips that I just showed previously didn't show much of it. But look at this, man. Richard Mille 3501, carbon fiber, crazy look, man. Like, yeah, I got a deal. It was 256K easily. They're probably selling this for 300K or more. You can't get it for this type of deal. So this watch is easily worth 300K for sure. Look at the straps, man. Very sporty, very athletic. You can wear this anywhere. It's even, I believe, waterproof. Super light on the wrist, but just if you pay attention to the movement of the watch, just every little specific detail of it is just insane. You just get a good focus on that. Such a beautiful, beautiful timepiece, yo. And like I said, I never thought I would get something like this or be able to afford something like this. It's not just affording, it's just me being able to just buy a masterpiece like this. And it's a good representation of where I'm at in my life and a great checkpoint, you know? So God bless, God is good.
Welcome to king of the city. Give me the crown, yeah, I did it already. Too many baddies, I form a committee. I am the legend like Willie Smitty. They rolling the dice. If you want the money, it comes with a price. The rich, the rolls, the diamonds, the ice. The winters, the springs, the summer like nice. Run away train. And jerk all the poison inside of my veins. I bet you know I ain't one and the same.